Alright, today we're back with another math competition question, and in this problem it says, Randy drove the first third of his trip on gravel road, the next 20 miles on pavement, and the remaining 1/5 of the trip on a dirt road. How long was Randy's trip? Pause the video to solve it yourself and continue watching to see how I would solve this type of problem. Alright, hopefully you've tried it now. Now, what I would do first is I would try to interpret the information given, obviously. So the first third of this trip, let's say x is the full length of trip, right? So 1/3 x plus 20 miles, and the remaining 1/5 of the trip, so plus 1/5 x is equal to the full length of the trip, right? So now we add like terms, and since these two don't have a common denominator, we take the 1/3 and the 1/5 over here. And we say, well, the least common denominator that we could do here is simply the product, which is 15. So in order to make this fraction over 15, we would have to make it 5 over 15, and 1/5, we would make it 3 over 15. Or this turns out to be 8 over 15. All right, so now we have 8 over 15 times x plus 20 is equal to x. All right, now we subtract 8/15 x from both sides. Now, since this is just x, this means this is times 1. So what we're really doing here is we're saying 20 is equal to 1 minus 8 over 15. 1 minus 8 over 15. 1 is just 15 over 15. Minus 8 over 15. That's 7 over 15. And 7 over 15x. All right, so now, in order to get x alone, we would multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the coefficient here. So the reciprocal would be 15 over 7. So our answer would be 20 times 15 over 7. Times 15 over 7. And we multiply this number by the numerator to get 300 over 7 as our final answer in miles, obviously, as the full length of Randy's trip. All right, now you know how to solve these types of problems.